Hello friends, welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for Victor 2020 and mechanical engineering students. The question has been given: involvement of a pentagon. Draw a involvement of a pentagon in 30 size. So the question has been given like that. So the drawing will be like this. In examination they will be given like this. Then how to draw with procedurally I'll tell you how to take a then how to draw. I have taken 30 again. I'll take 108 degree from here and one more 8 degree here. Simply the extension the line like this, slightly or lightly take here 30 and take here 30 and take this side also 30 so this will be 108 degree and this will be 108 degree. And take a compass, keep here, cut one arc, take here, cut one arc, so join this arc and this arc and this arc and this arc, so you'll get a pentagon. And how to draw a pentagon you show as I already shown. So this will be a 30 so I'll write here A B C D and E. See here also it will come 30 only. I will taking the parallel line as 30 keep in the B and A, keep in the B and A. See this 30 only will come. Okay, after that take this parallel line, so it will come 60 only. Take 60 check the point whether it is correct or not. See it will be 60. Again you check here and draw one arc. If you like this video, please share to your friends, put comments. See the drawing will become very easily, no extension the line and all, you can draw very easily. Obviously see the parallel line I have taken like this, I have taken like this. Again from E to D I will taken 90 so I'll check cross check whether it is coming correct or not. It's very simple. See you can check like this also. See I have written like this, from point to point you will get where digit. See if you take incline like this, incline like this, incline like this, so the drawing will come. So I'll mention the point also. After A, this is the point 1, this is the point 2, this is the point 3, so they'll keep on going, it will come very easily. Again one more pentagon. See I have taken this one and this one, so now I should take 120. Take a compass, so you'll get a very neatly drawing like this. This is the point 4. then keep in the A and join into the 4, then you will get a one more. This is the fourth point, and we should get one more point, that is from join from A to, you will get a 0.5. so you will get radius, first one is radius from B to A, take as a BA, from B to A one circle. Okay, keep on going from C to C1, radius C1. After that, keep from here radius D and 2. This is 2 here, also 2. This is the radius 2. From E to join like this. This will be a radius E3. From E to 3. From A to radius A4. If you have any doubt, you can share, you can comment me, you can ring the bell, you get more videos update, and share to your friends. It would be very useful to you and your friends also. I can do more videos. Thanks for watching my channel. Thank you.